Hi, my name is Adam and in this video I will show you how to create an account as a constructor on a Smart PZP platform. Of course you will need a computer with internet access to do this, that's quite understandable, but in addition you will also need a qualified electronic signature which is necessary to set up an account. The important thing is the qualified electronic signature must comply with the eIDAS regulations, so you have to pay attention to this. Okay, let's start the tutorial.
Okay, the first thing you need to do is to choose this button, Create Account. The first step in our registration is to fill the entity data. Necessary fields are this one, entity name, short entity name, one of the identification number. In your case, it's going to be VAT number or other identification number, because these fields are mainly for Polish companies. And another field to fill, or rather to choose, is name of the country your firm is registered in. So let's write example company. Short name is going to be EC, and other identification number. You know, for the video it doesn't matter, it's just a tutorial, and let's choose, for example, Peru. These fields are necessary. Of course you can fill the other fields, the other gaps, like your address, your bank account, but if you don't want to do this, you don't have to. These gaps you can fill later when your account is created. There is a possibility to edit your data. So we are choosing next button, and the next step is users data. You have to fill the email address, name, surname, password. You have to repeat password. You have to check that you agree with the regulations. That all is necessary to fill. So the email address, example company, for example. Okay, you have to fill the data, agree regulations, and choose Continue Registration button. And this is a third step, the most important one, because right here we have approval of our registration. There is a statement to the user that registers the entity will be assigned administrator role. That means that you are going to be an administrator of your account, of your company's account, which allows you to manage the other user, every other user that will register into your account. You can add some users to your entity, you can change their passwords, you can also, which is very important, activate the other user. So in this step we choose confirm the registration with a qualified signature. Next we choose external software, and right here we have 4 steps to put our qualified electronic signature. First, you have to pick this button, download, and this is a file in PDF format, so we choose it, we're saving it on our computer, And the next step is to sign the file that we have just downloaded with your electronic signature using PZP or acces surrounding type in your signature type. It is very important. These two types of signature are working with our system, which is PZP or acces surrounding type. And right now I have to skip this part of the tutorial because there are so many signature softwares programmed to sign your documents, so you have to minimize the browser. It's very important, do not turn off the browser, do not turn off the session. You have to minimize the browser, enter into your electronic signature program, sign the file that we have just downloaded from the step 1, and after that you have to add signed file back to the platform. But right now you have to minimize the browser and sign the document that you have just downloaded. When you successfully sign your document using, I repeat, using PZP or acces surrounding type of the signature, you can add it back to the platform. It has to be signed file that we downloaded from here, from the step 1. So we choose select button and we are adding the file from our computer. After that we choose verify. And we have the statement informing us that our account was created successfully.
There is no confirmation email at the end. The green statement that we just saw is a proof that our account was created successfully. After registration in the system, you can log in. Use your email address and a password to do this. Subscribe our YouTube channel and watch the other tutorial about submitting a tender on a Smart PZP platform. See you there!